Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Can you go to jail for recording someone without their permission? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. The laws on this are tricky and vary a lot from state to state, so it's crucial to understand the rules where you live. It all boils down to two main ideas: consent and the expectation of privacy. Let's break it down. First, you have what are called one-party consent states. This is the majority of states in the US. In these places, you can legally record a conversation as long as you are part of that conversation. You are the one party giving consent. So, if you're on a phone call with someone, you can record it without telling them. But this only applies if you are an active participant. You can't just leave a recorder in a room to secretly listen in on others. Then you have the two-party consent or all-party consent states. These states, like California, Florida, and Pennsylvania, have much stricter laws. Here, you need permission from everyone involved in the conversation to legally record it. If you secretly record a phone call or an in-person conversation in one of these states, you could be breaking the law. The second huge factor is the reasonable expectation of privacy. This is a legal concept that asks whether a person in that situation would expect their conversation to be private. For example, if two people are having a loud argument in a public park, they probably don't have a reasonable expectation of privacy. Recording them might be legal. But if they're whispering in a private office or inside their own home, they definitely have an expectation of privacy. Recording them there, even in a one-party consent state, could be illegal. Secretly placing a camera in a bathroom or bedroom is a serious crime. Federal law, like the Wiretap Act, also makes it a crime to secretly record conversations you aren't a part of. So what happens if you break these laws? The consequences can be severe. On the civil side, the person you recorded could sue you for a lot of money. On the criminal side, you could face hefty fines and even jail time, especially if your recording was for a criminal or malicious purpose. The laws are complex, and this is just a general overview, not legal advice. Always check your specific state laws, and if you have any doubts, consult with a lawyer. Don't risk your freedom over a recording. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button